Hi, Sue and staff, back with another Sizzling with SAS, right here from Sue and Staff Estate Winery in the heart of the Niagara Benchlands. Today we are going to introduce to you the new 2021 Pinot Grigio, pairing it with a Cacio and Pepe pasta. I've always wondered how to do this and what the rule is. There's not a nonna out there that would measure out the salt, but anyway, apparently it's supposed to be 4 tablespoons of kosher salt only, with we'll say that's 4, 3 heaping a little bit more, of kosher salt with the water, and doing it just before you're going to add your pasta ensures that the salt hasn't concentrated. And I'm coming in with about 6 ounces of fresh spaghetti pasta. I'm gonna put it in so it doesn't all clump together, and just give it a nice gentle stir, fresh from Antipastos here in St. Catharines. So I'm going to start off by adding in 2 tablespoons of butter into a heated pan and 1 tablespoon of freshly ground fresh black pepper. We're going to add in a half cup of the pasta water, 3/4 of a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese that's been coarsely grated, and just let it melt slowly. Swirling it the entire time. Let it slowly melt. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon more butter, along with 1/3 of a cup of the Grana Romano cheese. As that's melting, we're going to add in the pasta. The idea is to coat every layer of every noodle. You have to use the best of ingredients. So here we've used really great butter, really great cheeses, fresh pasta as well. This is the new 2021 Pinot Grigio. It's called the Lenny Pinot Grigio. Every year we make a slightly different Pinot Grigio from the property, whether it's a light Italian style like this one, or whether it's a more Alsatian style like the Louis Pinot Gris is. Gorgeous, soft, succulent, a little bit of zippiness in the background, which is going to cleanse the palate from, okay, how's this going to work? This could get messy, but that's what Italian food is about sometimes, right? Nice little crunch of the pasta still, just slightly al dente. That creaminess of the cheese really coats the palate, and it has a lot of oomph from the black pepper that were infused into the butter to start off with. I need a sip of wine. That smokiness nicely aligns, and then some of the acidity of that wine cleanses that palate and makes me ready for another bite full. Gotta go.